Hey guys, I picked up this planer stand from an auction site, DW7350 there. I have the planer already, but it's kind of a hassle to pick it up and move it around because it's so heavy. So picked this up. I got it for $100 and some change. It's normally I think $180 or something like that at Rockler, but we're gonna open it up and put it together. I'll do a time lapse and you can see what goes into putting it together, and probably hear me complain about it at the end. So see how well it works for me. All right, so just some initial thoughts. First off, these are the directions here. Now, this is the entire page of directions. The book is, I don't know, maybe 10 pages or something like that, but they're all just different warnings, and then of course in 10 different languages, so they're just different, yeah, there you go. This is all you get. So hopefully you're going to put it together based on these directions and not the traditional IKEA directions. So if you're mechanically inclined, this shouldn't be a problem. Otherwise, you might have some trouble. Everything comes sort of separately marked. This is, you can see bag number 1, and it says what's in it. Bag number 2, and it says what's in it. Levelers. I will say that this piece here, this foot pedal wheel, if you could call it that, is made out of some pretty heavy steel. I'm pretty happy with it because that's gonna have to hold up quite a bit of weight with the planer on it. So the steel on that is quite thick. So I'm pretty happy with that. Now some of the other steel that is made out of, you know, this stuff's made out of, it's kind of thin, but I guess I sort of expected that based on, you know, based on it being a mass-produced item. Dewalt needs some profit, right? So everything gets a little thinner. So we'll start putting it together and see how it goes together. All right, well, here's the finished product. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It's a pretty solid stand now that everything's put together and tightened up. Pretty thrilled with everything. Like I said, there's some, the sheet metal can get a little thin on the sides, but once you bolt it all together, it's pretty rigid. The top's made out of MDF, so that might be room for improvement in the future. If that ever starts to fall apart or gets wet, I'll have to replace it. Now, it's kind of hard to see, but they do put this sort of sheen on it, this I don't know, it's almost like a melamine or something on it to protect it from water, but you can see there's still MDF shown the whole way around, so I might have to replace that with some plywood in the future. But not a bad little planer stand. It's already got holes made for this planer along with a few others. It's got this nice foot stand here, which you drop it like that, and it sits down on these levelers under here, so that's really nice. But then, like I said, it's real sturdy. It stays put. But then, if you want to move it, you just put the footrest down, and you can push it around real easy. It's got casters, a caster under the front here, and then it's got the wheels on either side back here. So it's pretty easy to maneuver. Certainly much better than dragging this thing around 92 pounds by hand. So I'm pretty happy with it. I'll try to find something to put in the bottom. The only other thing I could say about it is it would be great, and this might be something I'll have to take a look at, is It'd be great to be able to put a little garbage can under here and then route the dust chute from the top into the bottom. That way the can will collect all the shavings from the planer, because right now they just shoot all over the garage, and unless you have a shop vac hooked up. So it would be great to put a garbage can under there with a just some sort of hard line hose down underneath, so all the chips will go down into the bucket. But again, this is great for now, so I'll just continue to play around with this until I get sick of something and want to change it. So.